Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the LaColors Glow in the Dark Top Coat from Dollar General. I'm also going to be sharing comparisons to the DollarTree Glow in the Dark nail polishes, and I will also be sharing some spooky, creepy, crawly spider nail art because I thought it would go perfect with this glow in the dark nail polish. So let's get started. This LaColors Glow in the Dark polish is $2.25 at Dollar General. Sometimes you can find it on sale there. You get 13 milliliters of product, no black light needed, only sun exposure or artificial light. This is a jelly-like formula, sheer. It's meant to be a topper over other polishes. Of course you can wear it by itself, but this is meant to go over top of other polishes. It has a greenish teal glow. It's not just green, which is awesome. Glows brightest when it is exposed to the sun. The polish applies evenly, it dries quickly and glows brightly. This polish dries slightly textured because of the glow pigment. It is a bit more difficult to remove than regular nail polish because of the glow pigment as well. And when it glows, it has a speckled kind of look. Once again, it's the glow pigments that were used. The glow time is about 30 seconds, maybe more. It does glow brighter and longer with the sun exposure over artificial light. So if you're using the artificial light, you're probably going to get about 30 seconds. If it has longer sun exposure, you're going to get longer than that. It does glow brighter when it's exposed to the sun. The wear time on this is subjective. 3 to 5 days, maybe more without chipping. It depends on your base color, how often your hands are in water, what you're doing with your hands also, whether you have top coated your nails. Various factors play a role in wear time always, so that's going to be subjective to the person. Also, it's hard to capture this glow on video and photography, but to the naked eye it has a very vibrant glow. Polish is so cool, it's so neat. I love glow in the dark nail polishes. Glow in the dark nail polish is so much fun any time of the year. It's great by itself over colorful bases, and of course nail art. I have done some cool nail art using glow in the dark polishes. I love it so very much. Now, a quick comparison for the DollarTree versus the Dollar General LaColors glow in the dark polishes. Every year LaColors does release polishes to DollarTree. Of course, $1.25 there. They are cheaper than the Dollar General version. They come in a variety of fun colors, but they all glow green. So it doesn't matter if you pick up the orange one, the purple one, the basic glow one, pink and yellow, they're gonna glow green. They have longer dry times. I did a full review on the DollarTree glow in the dark polishes, so I'm going to link that in the cards for you guys if you want to check that out as well. Now, the Dollar General version is 13 milliliters. The DollarTree version is 11 milliliters. The Dollar General version glows so much brighter and longer than the DollarTree version. It has less texture, it glows a greenish teal, and it has quicker dry time. It's basically the gist of their comparison there. I would still pull for the $2.25 for this glow in the dark, just based on alone that it's greenish teal, how brightly it glows, how much longer it glows. It just performs better. Spooky season is right around the corner, and this glow in the dark polish is perfect for spooky season. Highly recommend it. You can't beat the price or the way it performs. 10 out of 10, I would purchase this again. It would be so much fun if LaColors would release more colors in this glow in the dark version of the polish. I think that if they done some that, because this one glows greenish teal, maybe they could release some that glows maybe orange or purple or pink. Because I know it can be done. They sell colored glow-in-the-dark pigments. I have some. They all glow different colors. They are so neat. highly recommend if you want some colorful glow in the dark polish. Make your own, buy you some pigments, they're inexpensive, but this is such a cool, unique polish formula, and who doesn't love a good glow in the dark? It's so much fun. I wore it on my toes, I wore it on my hands several times. I cannot get enough of the glow in the dark. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and comparison and demo. I hope you found it helpful, and maybe you will go pick this up for yourselves and try it out. If you have any other comments or questions regarding this nail polish, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer those. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.